my name is Meeta from BoosturBrain. In this video, I am going to discuss how to teach concepts of greater than and less than to a young child. Today, I am going to cover how to make a child understand that some numbers are bigger or smaller than other numbers. How to introduce the symbol of greater than and less than signs. And how to make the child understand the concept of greater than and less than. Before starting the concept, make sure the child knows number names and their symbols. He should have the ability to associate the quantity of the symbols and understanding of sequence. For this, refer my previous videos. You can find the link in the description box right under this video. For teaching the concept, you need objects like stone, marble, button, small eraser, etc. I am using this fish as an object which is made up of air dry clay. Whatever object you are using should be countable, easy to handle by a child and easily available at your home. You also need number cards like this. Cards for greater than and less than, signs and an alligator mouth like this. In place of card, you can use wooden or plastic one. Make sure whatever material you are using should be simple enough so the child can focus on process itself rather than complicated and distracting procedure. Let's see how we can teach the concept in a practical way. We will do it in 3 steps. Repeat each step until the child understands the concept. Here, repeating the step does not mean that you have to repeat the step continuously. If the child is not interested or not paying attention, leave it for that time. You can do it again after some time or another day. The first step is to make the child understand that some numbers are bigger or smaller than other numbers. We do this with physical objects. Make groups of objects and compare them. Let's see how to do so. Hello Ayash. Today I am going to teach you greater than and less than. I have 2 numbers, 4 and 2. I wonder which number is bigger. Let's find out. Yes. Ayash, can you count 4 fish?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ayash, can you count 2 fish?
1, 2.
Ayash, can you tell me which group has more fish?
This one.
Yes, 4 has more fish. 4 is bigger than 2.
Yes.
Say Ayash, 4 is bigger than 2.
4 is bigger than 2.
Good. We'll do it again.
Yes.
I have another 2 number, 1 and 3. Ayash, can you count 1?
1.
Can you count 3?
1, 2, 3.
Ayash, can you tell me which group has less number of fish?
This one.
Yes, 1 has less number of fish than 3. 1 is smaller than 3.
1 is bigger than 3.
Second step is to introduce the symbols of greater than and less than signs. For this, we use the 3-period lesson technique. 3 period, or we can say 3 step, includes naming, recognizing and remembering. The first period is naming, that means introducing the symbol to the child. The second period, which is to recognize the symbols. Here we ask the symbol name to the child, like show me greater than, and the child has to recognize it by keeping his finger on the symbol. The third period is remembering. Here we show the symbol and ask the child, what is this? And the child will tell the name of the symbol. Let's see how to do so. I asked, this says greater than.
This is greater than.
This says less than.
This says less than.
This says greater than.
This says greater than.
This says less than.
This says less than.
I asked, where is greater than sign? Where is less than sign? What is this, I asked?
Greater than.
What is this, I asked?
Less than.
Good. The third step is to make the child understand the concept of greater than and less than. For this, we will use the story of greedy alligator, whose mouth is always open towards greater numbers. Or we can say, he always wants to eat greater numbers. Let's see how to do so. I asked, I have 2 numbers, 4 and 2. Can you count 4 fish?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ayash, can you count 2 fish?
Yes. 1, 2.
Ayash, can you tell me which group has more fish?
This one.
Yes, 4 has more fish. Look, I have an alligator. He is very greedy. He always wants to eat more and more fish. His mouth is open towards bigger numbers. I have 2 signs greater than and less than, which are looking like alligator mouth. Can you find which sign is just looking like alligator mouth?
This one.
Yes, let's place that sign in between numbers. 4 is greater than 2.
4 is greater than 2.
Good. We'll do it again.
Yes.
I have another numbers. 1, 3. Can you count 1?
1.
Can you count 3?
1, 2, 3.
Good. Ayash, can you tell me which group has less fish? Yes, one has less fish. Remember my alligator? He always wants to eat more fish. His mouth is always open towards more fish. Ayash, I have 2 signs greater than and less than, Which sign is just look like alligator mouth?
This one.
Good. Let's place it in between numbers. 1 is less than 3. Say Ayash. 1 is less than 3.
1 less than 3.
Good. With this step-by-step approach, the child will develop growth towards more abstract operations. The child is able to recognize the symbol of greater than and less than signs. Also, have an understanding of the concept of greater than and less than. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please give us thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share and subscribe. For more informative videos and blogs, please visit my website boosturbrain.com. Thank you.